You want the letters of the location to flow organically onto the screen under the activity title. The easiest way to do this is to use another text animation preset. Go to 5 seconds in the timeline. At that point, the title has finished scaling to its final size. Select the location layer in the timeline panel. Press Ctrl-Alt-Shift-O on Windows or Command-Option-Shift-O on a Mac to jump to Adobe Bridge. Navigate to the Presets Text Animate In folder. Select the Raining Characters In animation preset. Watch it in the preview panel. This effect works well to reveal the text gradually. Double-click the Raining Characters In preset to apply it to the location layer, and then return to After Effects. With the location layer selected in the timeline panel, press UU to see the properties modified by the animation preset. You should see 2 keyframes for Range Selector 1 Offset, one at 5 and one at 7:15. The U key, sometimes referred to as the Uber key, is a valuable keyboard shortcut that reveals all the animation properties of a layer. Press it once to see the animated properties, and press it twice to view all modified properties. You have a lot of animation to fit into this composition, so you'll speed up the effect. Go to 6 seconds, and then drag the second Range Selector 1 Offset keyframe to 6 seconds. Select the location layer, and then press U to hide the modified properties. Select the Fish Swim tab in the Timeline panel to make that timeline active, and then go to 6 seconds if necessary. Using the Selection tool, move the location layer so that Isla Mujeres is right aligned with and just below Snorkel Tours. Deselect all layers, and drag the current time indicator across the time ruler from 4 to 6 seconds to see the letters fall into place. Save your work so far.